Introducing the 2019 Holden Commodore LT Edition. The Commodore is front-wheel drive 4-door sedan with 5 seats, powered by a 2-litre turbocharged engine that has 191 kilowatts of power and 350 Newton-meters of torque via a 9-speed automatic transmission. Holden claims the Commodore uses 7.4-litre per 100 kilometers of unleaded petrol in the combined city and highway cycle, while putting out 169 grams of CO2. It has a 61-litre fuel tank, meaning it should be able to travel 824 kilometers per full tank. The Commodore has received a 5-star rating from ANCAP. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found our video informative. We offer same-day finance approval and extended warranty options. We also offer contactless purchasing. We provide Australia-wide delivery too. If you have any inquiry, please do give us a call, and one of our representatives will be able to answer any of your queries. We look forward to hear from you soon.